Hey guys, do you know what my red flag is? When I was dating in my 40s, if there was a guy that had never been married before, no thanks. Massive commitment issues.
Whoa,
Massive.
whoa, whoa, whoa. I feel like this is targeted towards me.
Well, I love you, Fawaz, always.
Okay, you two, calm down. You know what my red flag issue is? People who attend community summit during the day, but at night they don't go out and advance their networking opportunity. That's the best part. How could you not do that?
100%.
My red flag around ISVs is that they say their ISV is ERP agnostic and they can integrate to anything.
Right. Yeah. That's a good one.
100% agree with you.
Yeah, so guys, join us on October 21st at 3 p.m. in the Coastal 5 room at the Convention Center at the Gaylord Palms Resort. We'll see you guys there.
We'll talk about all the red flags you should watch out for.
Right. All
That's
the
right.
red flags.